Oh, Romeo, Romeo! Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? Deny thy father and refuse thy name, or if thou wilt not, be but sworn, my love, and I'll no longer be a Capulet.
Let the music play! May I please have all the ladies on the side with me, please?
It's absolutely fantastic. All of you must come and see it.
You cannot miss this. Come to Verona and see the show.
Very unique experience. Definitely something to see if you go to Verona.
It was just amazing, absolutely fabulous. I am shocked and so excited to come again and see it again. It's completely exciting to change in scenarios and feel like you're part of the show. So please come and see it. You won't regret it.
Los actores son fantásticos y creo que todo el mundo que venga a Verona debería hacer esto y disfrutar de esta gran teatralización.
It was really funny, it really brought the story. Coinvolgente, emozionante, davvero bello.
Romeo y Julieta, realmente en la casa de Giulietta y en Verona.
Consigliare di vederlo e non solo una volta.
Come to Verona just to see this. It was amazing.
It is the East, and Juliet is the sun. Padrone! Padrone Giulietta è morta.
Romeo! What's in a name? Because he married me before to Romeo!
Here's to my love.
This do I drink to thee. Romeo, I come.
For never was a story of more woe than this of Juliet and her Romeo.